Abelia is a previously recognized genus that contains about 30 species and hybrids, placed in the honeysuckle family. These deciduous and evergreen shrubs are native to Eastern Asia, Japan west to the Himalayas, and southern North America, Mexico. The genus names honors Dr. Clark Abel, physician and naturalist who collected seed and plants as a part of a British expedition to China in 1817. Kaleidoscope was discovered in 1997 as a variegated branch sport of the grandiflora Little Richard. Kaleidoscope is a dense semi-evergreen, compact shrub with reddish-purple stems. New foliage emerges as green and yellow, turns gold in the summer, and then fiery red to orange in fall. Its pink buds open into white, fragrant flowers that persist into fall. Easily grown in average, medium, well-drained soil, in full sun to part shade. Best flowering in full sun. It prefers moist, organically rich soils which drain very well. Good companion plants include maiden grass, heavenly bamboo, lily of the Nile, marigolds, and catmint. Abelia Kaleidoscope is more than just a pretty face. It is an extremely versatile and hardy plant. This dwarf Abelia is frost, drought, and heat tolerant, and deer resistant. Plant a Kaleidoscope Abelia for its dramatic foliage and year-round color. Other uses include hedge planting, mass planting, ground cover, and border planting. It thrives on hillsides and can be used as a filler in containers.